Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. You ever read something in a God word yet, and it don't make no sense to you, none at all? And then later on, say, a week or a month or even couple year, all of a sudden, you understand what God did I talk about. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 31 to verse 34. Jesus take him 12 follower them one side and tell them say, me a go to Jerusalem, and everything the prophet them write down about the man where God pick a go happen. Them a go take him give the people we are not Jew. Them a go laugh off him and take him make pricky. Them a go beat him wicked and kill him. But 3 days after them kill him a go come back alive. Jesus follower them never get none of what him say. The meaning did hide from them, so them couldn't understand what him talk about. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.